Hey everybody, George Tucker here for AVNation.tv at InfoComm 2017, and we are in the Harman booth. I'm joined with Shaun Robinson here. How are you, sir?
I'm doing fantastic, George. How are you?
It's been a while since we've last talked, and you've gained a new title.
Yes, I have.
And what is that?
So, Vice President of Solutions for Enterprise Markets for Corporate Education and Government.
I'm glad you had to say that.
Yeah.
That's a while. That's a mouthful, but congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. But it really is around, again, what Harman's doing with this portfolio of products that we have now is now bringing in those portfolios together into complete solutions, end-to-end solutions that we can deliver to the customers in those markets.
Right.
So, yeah.
Now, a lot has happened since the last time you and I talked.
Yes.
What's going on with that?
I think this could be the last acquisition, I hope, unless there's somebody out there that is large enough to acquire Samsung. So I think we're done, hopefully. But yeah, so Harman has been acquired by Samsung just on March 10th of this year.
And a new logo rolled out and everything.
New logo rolled out, so we're now Harman, a Samsung company. We're a standalone subsidiary with Samsung, but again, and I apologize for saying it, but the synergies have started. So lots of discussions with Samsung about ways we can bring together solutions for the market. And what's been great is that we have a great portfolio of technologies for video, control, lighting, and audio, but now bringing in the display. That was the only thing we were missing. Well, the display and then mobile devices and wearables, right? And so with that, we could truly create this connected life.
So yeah, we're standing in front of something that sort of exhibits that portfolio of products that you put into one solution. Tell me about this. Exactly.
So this is an excellent example, actually, George, of us bringing together technologies to solve a problem. As we all know, in the corporate market that we serve, there's still some boardrooms and conference rooms, but the huge opportunity, what's going on around the world, is just an explosion of these huddle spaces, right? As people's ways of working has changed, more collaboration, the incoming millennial demographic into the workforce, changing working environments, including tons and tons and tons of huddle spaces, and that's not a space you go in with a full-on huge presentation switcher and a touch panel. So we really looked at that problem and said, hey, how can we go and most effectively solve that? Help people get into their meetings as quickly and efficiently as possible, get into their web conferencing as quickly and efficiently as possible, but also deliver a great experience, a great audio and video experience. So AMX bringing in their great video technology and then leveraging JBL sound, right? So this is a super fun project, the Ascendo Vibe. This is a whole family of products really for the huddle space. It's Ascendo Book, which is a scheduling panel. That's stuff we do, but it's a super you don't program it. You just plug it in and it starts working, ties right into Exchange or Google Calendar. Ascendo Core, which is the collaboration platform. So when you come in, you can immediately get into your web conference, immediately get into your content, or share your content wirelessly from your device. And then Ascendo Vibe, which is the web conferencing soundbar. And this is where it was a really exciting project to work on. We're able to take AMX video from our Sereno camera. This is our next generation Sereno technologies for a 120-degree field of view camera, 1080p. And then, but working with the JBL engineers in California, right, to deliver some great, phenomenal sound. So speaker technology and all the things that we're doing on the microphone side, especially in some of the consumer products and also in the voice products, with the far field mic arrays, bringing that in and with their DSP capabilities into one product, and that's Ascendo Vibe. So it's been a lot of fun now that we've broken down all the silos within the divisions and be able to work together collaboratively to bring these technologies together to deliver a great solution and a great experience to the customer.
Right, so when they want to hook it up, they get what? They just get a package that they bring in?
Yes. Yeah, and again, in a huddle space, that's not an area that drives a lot of customization. It's all about getting in and getting out because they're putting in hundreds and thousands of these versus 5 to 10 boardrooms.
Right.
So yeah, the Ascendo Vibe out of the box got a really cool mounting bracket. Slap it on a wall, slide the product on, and it actually holds it at 110-degree angle, so allows you to easily tie your cables in, fold it up. So it's literally simple enough for an end user's IT technician or AV technician to install it. Same with Ascendo Core and Ascendo Book. These are just PoE devices that you plug in. Ascendo Book's a PoE device you just plug in. Core you plug in your network, configures itself, goes right into Exchange, and you're good to go.
Very cool.
Yeah, really cool.
Now you've also leveraged that profile of products for a new switcher.
Yeah.
A presentation switcher.
Right.
Tell me about that.
Absolutely. So, looking in between our two switcher lines, we have a Solstice table switchers, and we have the Innova DVX, which has been a fantastic product in the market for many years. But now, really trying to go in and say, hey, how can we bring these portfolio of great technologies together and deliver a better experience to our customers? And so AMX Insight presentation switchers, a new line of 8x1 presentation switchers, 3 outputs, but a by 1 switcher. But what's great is we're bringing fantastic AMX video and scaling technology, so it's 4K 60, 444, HDCP 2.2 with HDR. So you're getting that great video through there, and a fantastic scaler, which we've done a lot of really cool improvements on, where you can bring in wipes, fades, transitions into your presentation content, picture-in-picture, picture-by-picture, all that kind of stuff. So cool AMX video. But the cool part is working with the audio guys and bringing their best-of-breed technology. So now, the DSP that's built in is leveraging BSS DSP algorithms. And you know, education market's a common place for a presentation switcher. Sometimes you get instructors walking in front of a speaker and you get that feedback. So we're leveraging DBX, not DVX, but DBX, auto feedback suppression.
Right, well known in the live industries for that stuff.
Very well known in the live industries. So we're able to grab those DSP algorithms and bring those in, which is cool. And crown drive core amplification. And I tell you, the engineers have done a phenomenal job. The switcher by itself, with the DSP and the crown drive core amplifier all in one rack unit device, which is pretty cool because drive core is such an efficient amplifier technology, right?
That's very interesting.
Really, really cool. So again, another great example how we broke down the barriers in engineering, and now we're able to start bringing these technologies together to deliver single, easy to install, easy to use, and easy to manage products.
Yeah, very cool. Very exciting stuff.
Yeah.
Well, I want to thank you for joining us today.
Yeah, thanks, George.
This has been George Tucker with AVNation.tv for InfoComm 2017 from the Harman booth.